Mowing, lifting, sewing, baling, drawing, hauling a bucker, raking, backing, stacking, plowing, crashing, tipping, wrapping, killed or slapping, slapping, diesel, cutting, trucking, spreading, piping, double clutching, spinning, sliding, digging, raking, wearing, tearing, losing wind. Oh, hit the diff and pray that she goes all the way. We're flat to the mat with the party hats, and I'm heading for the day. They thought that we were quitting. Well, when the sun went down, with a flame from the pipe we drove all night till the fuel it ran out. Oh, give me a yoke with plenty of poke and a cat of easy start, and 1,500 acres hauling 40 ton of grass. I said goodbye before July to the woman in an awful rush, and it was nearly